Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, prove the following identity where the angles involved are acute angles, for which the expression is defined as cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. And guys, we are going to define this or justify this given expression like left hand side is equal to right hand side. We need to prove that the left hand side of the given expression is equal to the right hand side of this given expression, and we need to prove this, or we need to define this. Whatever we are going to do this, we are going to use the identity as cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. This is what is being given in the question. So now let us move ahead and see how we are going to solve this question, or how we are going to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now, given to the expression, the expression is cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to sin is equal to cosec A plus cot A. This is what being given in the given as an expression, or this is what being given as a question, and we will see that we will prove that, or we will justify that left hand side of this expression is equal to right hand side of the expression. So we will start our calculation from left hand side, and we will reach at a final point where the left hand side of the calculation will end up as a right hand side. Now we are going to do this using the identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. This is the identity that we are going to use, and this is being asked in the question itself, so we cannot avoid this one. Now cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, or I can write cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Let us name this one as equation 1 so that we can refer this one. If we name it as a equation, if we name it as a number, then we can refer this later on. Now guys, how we will move ahead, or how we will proceed. So guys, if you look here to the right side of the equation says that cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A is nothing but 1 upon sin A, and cot A is nothing but cos upon sin A. So guys, you could see that in the denominator sin A is there. Now looking at the right side of this equation, or looking at the right side of this expression where denominator sin A is involved as a denominator, so what we will do, we will subtract, or we will divide the numerator as well as the denominator with sin A. Now let's see. So left hand side of the equation is equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now guys, in the next step, what I'm going to do is that, as I told you, I'm going to divide the numerator as well as the denominator with sin A. Why I'm doing that? Because looking at the right side of the expression, you could see that sin A is present in the denominator. How? Because cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A, and cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. Looking at that expression only, I thought of, or we need to divide the numerator as well as the denominator of the given expression, or left side of the expression, so that we will be getting a place where we will get cosec and cot A. Now, or that is equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon sin A. As I told you, I will be dividing as sin A. In the numerator, I divided with sin A. Similar thing I am going to do with the denominator part also. So the denominator is cos A plus sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Guys, we need to be very careful while dealing with the symbols, this plus and minus. If we make a mistake, then we will not be able to prove the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we need to be very careful while working on this type of expressions. Or I can say that is equal to cos A by sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. This is the numerator part. First of all, I solved the numerator part. Similarly, I can write the denominator as cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. This is what I did to the denominator also. Now guys, let us see how we are again solving this one and how we are moving. Now I can write this one, if you see, or I can say, or that is equal to cos A upon sin A, that is cot A. So cot A plus sin A upon sin A, it cancels out. I can write 1 plus 1 upon sin A is cosec A. This is what we got in the numerator. Now similar thing we will also get in the denominator, that is cos A upon sin A, that is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Hope guys till here we are pretty clear. I am solving this expression step by step. I am not leaving any of the steps so that you people can understand. We can understand whenever we refer back to this video or to this workout. Now guys, let us rearrange this equation. Why? Because you could see that we got cot A plus 1 plus cosec A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Let us bring this one to the extreme right from the numerator as well as to the denominator. Now guys, here actually it should be minus 1 guys, because here it is, if you look here in the above numerator, there is a minus symbol. So that is going to be the minus 1 here. So that's what I'm going to write the minus. By mistake I took it as a plus. So as I told you, we need to be very careful. Now, or that is equal to, as I told you, we are going to rearrange this equation a little bit. So cot A plus cosec A. So I am bringing cosec A near to cot A minus 1 as it is. Similar thing I am going to do in the denominator also. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Hope guys till here we are clear. Just in this step I rearranged the equation. Now guys, let us see. One other thing you could notice here, it is minus 1 is here, minus 1. So what I am going to do, minus 1, if you remember, let me show you from the top. If you remember, we considered cosec square A minus cot square A is minus 1. So let us replace this 1. Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1 from equation 1. So let us replace this value from equation number 1. Now if you look here, we have minus 1. So here in this particular step I am going to replace the value of 1 from the equation 1. I am going to replace the value of 1 from equation 1. This is what I mean to say. Cot A plus cosec A minus, if you remember, the value of 1 is cosec square A minus cot square A. That is what I took it from equation number 1. So instead of 1, I replaced it with cosec square A minus cot square A. And how I replaced it? Looking at equation number 1 that we derived at equation number 1 at the top of this video. Now I will keep the denominator as it is. I will not do anything to the denominator at this point of time. So cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now guys, let us see. So what we got? We got cot A plus cosec A minus cosec square A minus cot square A. And here upon denominator is cot A minus cosec A. This is what we got here. I believe till here we are pretty clear. Now I will write or that is equal to cot A plus cosec A. Let me put this in a bracket so that it will not create any confusion, minus cosec square A minus cot square A. So what does it mean? A square minus B square. So what I will do, I will put it in the formula like A square minus B square. So A square minus B square is nothing but A minus B into A plus B. That is what I am going to use this A square minus B square identity here, and I am going to solve this one. So here we have cosec square A minus cot square A. I am going to replace it with cosec A minus cot A and cosec A plus cot A. That is what I am going to do here. So just I will replace this one with cosec A minus cot A and cot A minus cosec A. So let me put this one in the above step so that it would be easy. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. This is the identity that I will be using here. So here let me convert this one into A plus B into A minus B. Cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. This is what I did using the identity A square minus B square. Upon I will keep cot A minus cosec A plus 1 as it is. I will not do anything here at this point of time. So let us keep this one as it is, minus cosec A plus 1. In the next step, let us see what we are going to do in the next step. In the next step, again we are going to rearrange this equation little bit. So rearrange this equation little bit means what I am going to do. You could see here cosec A cot A, cosec A cot A, but here we have cot A plus cosec A. Let us rearrange that one to cosec A plus cot A. So if I rearrange to cosec A plus cot A, there is no harm or there is no change. I believe we know we can replace this if there is plus or minus, and accordingly we need to replace the symbols also. So this will be written cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. So you will understand why I replaced or why I rearranged this equation. Now here in this step only I rearranged that cosec A and cot A. I am not doing anything here in this particular step. And the denominator also I will keep it intact. I will not change anything to the denominator here at this point of time. Now guys, let us see what we are going to do in the next step. Now if you look here, we have cosec A plus cot A. Here also we have cosec A plus cot A. So let us take cosec A or cosec A plus cot A as a common, and let us take it out. So if I take it out, I can write cosec A plus cot A. I am taking this one as a common. So here I will be left with 1 minus cosec A minus cot A. Guys, here this step minus create and some confusions, but we need to be very careful so that we can understand what we are doing here. Just I took cosec A plus cot A as a common and I took it outside. Upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now, or this is equal to, I can do cosec A plus cot A into, let me open the bracket here, 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Why? Because as I opened the bracket, the negative symbol becomes positive and the positive became negative. So I got 1 minus cosec A plus cot A upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now guys, again at this stage I am going to again rearrange this equation a little bit. What I am going to rearrange? Let's see. Here I have, in the denominator I have cot A minus cosec A plus 1. In the numerator I have 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. So if I write cot A minus cosec A plus 1, there will be no harm or there will be no change. So I am going to do that thing now. Going to rearrange that particular part. So here in this particular step I am going to rearrange this one. So cosec A plus cot A, this one will remain as it is. I am not changing anything. Just for this second part I am going to change it looking at the denominator. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. I am changing things, but keeping in view of the plus or minus symbols, because if we interchange things we need to be very careful so that we are not missing or we are not doing anything wrong with the plus and minus symbols. If we do anything wrong to the plus or minus symbols, then we will not get the required result. Cosec A plus 1, or I can write that is equal to cosec A plus cot A. How? Because cot A minus cosec A plus 1, and in the denominator cot A minus cosec A plus 1, it got cancelled out. So we are left with only cosec A plus cot A. And guys, this is equal to right hand side. So if you look at the top of the question, what was given there in the top of the question? Let us look back once. If you look here it was given like, here it was given cosec A plus cot A. This is what here it is given as cosec A plus cot A to the right side of the equation. And let's see what we got. We got cosec A plus cot A. See, we got cosec A plus cot A here. That means we are able to prove that, hence proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process or the steps that I performed. I performed each and every step without omitting anything or directly moving on to the next step without performing any particular step. But guys, still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.